we wanted to make Forky.
Oh, yeah. What are the parts we need?
We need a spoon,
Yep.
and we need a wet pipe cleaner.
Sure.
We need rainbow colors of the clay. We need googly eyes,
Glue? Popsicle sticks?
popsicle sticks too, and we also need glue. We need colored pencils for the little rainbow.
Yep.
Mhm.
Now normally it's a spork, which
Yeah.
is a spoon and a fork together, but we didn't have one, so we're just gonna use a spoon.
Mhm.
You wanna get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
So first we're going to need a spoon. We're going to need clay.
Yep. Looks like you already got started here.
Yeah.
Do we have to name it something else? Because it's not a spork, it's a spoon. We call it Spoonie.
Maybe. We need pipe cleaner.
Whoa,
for its
pipe
arms.
cleaner.
Let me
Thank
do
you.
this.
And you probably want to put the knot about halfway, right? This knot there. Whoa, 3 fingers on his hand, right?
You
So-
help me when you're done.
Okay. So can I show you how I did it?
Mhm.
All right, so
You're still going to have
pick a
to-
length of finger that you like. And I picked about that long. So start at the end.
Can you help me with the knot thing?
I think your knot's perfect. Make a fold like this. Okay. And then fold it back and forth. Now what?
We need legs.
Yes. You know what else we could do?
What?
We could make the mouth and the eyebrows.
Oh yeah.
So the mouth looks like it's a light blue to me.
Mhm.
So what I would do is roll it so it's nice and long.
Well, mine might be too long. There we go.
Good job, that's
I'm just gonna
perfect.
have to squish it.
Googly eyes.
I think you can make the eyebrow yet.
I'm gonna do the eyebrows after the eyes.
Me too. Wow.
That's a lot of glue. You sure you need that much?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna cut these. Think that's a good length? Somewhere in there?
Mhm. That's him.
That's so funny. It's just like the cartoon. Hello. Hello. So that looks awesome, Fee. Ooh, oh, you know what we need to do?
So I'm going to start doing my rainbow. Wait, we have to do it from purple because look.
Purple's on the outside.
Mhm.
Well, you go the outside, I'll go the inside, so we can share.
So you're doing the bottom first.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. His cheeks.
He did have a little bit of rosy on his cheeks.
Mhm. Sorry, Forky.
Your Forky looks great, honey.
Thanks. Can you help me with the leg?
Yeah.
Your
Oh,
eyeball.
you lost an eye.
Hey, like in the movie, he lost one of his eyes in the movie.
Blah, that's a lot of glue.
I really have to wipe it. Can you hold it?
Yeah, too much of a good thing's a bad thing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna take a while to dry. High five. Good job.